I'm so excited to be here today. To kickstart the award celebration, I'd like to start with a quote from Aristotle that says, thank you, "Quality is not an act, it's a habit." Let me repeat that. Quality is not an act, it's a habit. In healthcare, this translates to consistently providing exceptional clinical outcomes and patient experience every day, not to meet a measurement or process benchmark, nor even to receive an award like we have today, but to provide the best care possible because you care. As we walk through the award announcements today, you will see the result of your sustained efforts and habits that have led you to being one of America's 100 best hospitals. Now, what does it mean to be one of America's best? Well, for Healthgrades, we evaluate patient mortality and complication rates across 31 of the most common conditions and procedures in the US and at nearly 4,500 hospitals nationwide. A hospital achieves America's 100 best when they have sustained these efforts across these 31 common conditions and procedures for 5 consecutive years. As a recipient, this means that Kaweah Health Medical Center has consistently delivered better than expected outcomes to their patients, setting a high national standard for Visalia and the surrounding communities, placing them in the top 2% of hospitals in the nation. Amazing. And to drive this message home on what it really means for the entire nation, if we all perform similarly to Kaweah Health Medical Center and other hospitals achieving this award, during the data period analyzed for this distinction, we found that over 158,000 lives could have potentially been saved if all hospitals as a group performed similarly to Kaweah Health Medical Center and other hospitals achieving this distinction. 158,000 lives. It's a ton of patients going home at the end of a procedure or a visit to the hospital. At the base of this award, America's Best is a comprehensive assessment across multiple areas of care. Like we said, 31 common conditions and procedures. So of course, there's a ton to celebrate here at Kaweah Health Medical Center, just alongside America's 100 Best. In fact, Kaweah Health Medical Center is the most recognized hospital in the Central Valley by Healthgrades in 2023. So that deserves another round of applause. Alongside being America's Best, America's 100 Best hospital, you are also one of America's 50 best hospitals for cardiac surgery and have sustained that for 6 consecutive years, placing you in the top 5% in the nation for cardiac surgery. So amazing work there. Kaweah Health Medical Center is also a recipient of 3 Specialty Excellence Award in the pulmonary, critical care, and cardiac service lines, as well as being nationally recognized for 9 5-star ratings in the neurosciences, orthopedic, cardiac, pulmonary, GI, and critical care. The list goes on and on, service lines. So at Healthgrades, we encourage patients to take an active participation in their healthcare journey. We want them to do the research and know that they have a choice on where to seek care. And so you can use healthgrades.com and various other sites like healthgrades.com to search and understand the risk that you take when you take on certain hospitals. And you can mitigate that risk through doing your research and knowing there's a choice and choosing hospitals with high distinctions, such as Kaweah Health Medical Center being one of America's 100 best. Knowing that they perform well and have better than expected outcomes to their patients across the most common conditions and procedures in the US. So on behalf of Healthgrades, congratulations on your year-over-year clinical excellence success in becoming one of America's 100 best hospitals. Congratulations.
Good afternoon. I'm Keri, Noeske. I have the honor of being the Chief Nursing Officer here at Kaweah Health and representing our teams today as we accept this award. So thank you, Nicole, for coming and spending the time and explaining how important this award really is and that it's the work of many people over many years. So this award is a recognition of the day in and day out work of our healthcare professionals here at Kaweah and what they do every day, every shift. We did not achieve this top award because we are good at one or two things. We achieved this because our healthcare team is comprised of top performers who work to get it right every time with every type of care that we deliver. This award means the healthcare team members in our organization are making sure every decision, every interaction, every procedure, and every single outcome are focused on what is best for the patient. Hospitals that receive this award demonstrate better overall patient outcomes than all the other hospitals assessed, like Nicole said. Our healthcare team members are very proud of the roles that they have in caring for their patients. And when you see them in action, you know that they are putting everything they have out there to make sure that they do not miss a detail in the care. They are meticulous, they're compassionate, knowledgeable, and always ready to go the extra mile to keep patients from any sort of harm. An organization can have many systems and processes, but the success of our organization is because of the humans that are providing the care to the patients in the community. And Kaweah Health has a team of healthcare professionals who deliver top quality care in our area because they are committed to doing what is best and what is right every time. So thank you, Healthgrades, for recognizing our team and recognizing that what they do is for the best of the community, and they choose to be here because they want to take care of the community that they serve.